The sum of 6 consecutive integers is 621. What is value of the least of these integers? So first, what it means consecutive. For example, when we have first number 5, consecutive 6 numbers, so next will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How we got the second number? We add 1 to the first. And when we add 2 to the first number, we have third number 3, we have fourth number 4, we have fifth number, and so on. So if I, for example, write that the first number is x, so the second number, so let me write, this is first number, the second will be x plus 1. The third will be x plus 2. The fourth will be x plus 3. The fifth will be x plus 4. And the sixth will be x plus 5. So we have 6 consecutive integers. Let me remind you what it means integers. So integers are numbers, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And we can write -1, -2, and so on. And we have here 6 consecutive integers. So if I wrote that x is first in number, so next we got by adding 1 to first number. When we add 2 to first number, we will have third number. When we add 3 to the first number, we will have fourth number, and so on. So now we know also that the sum of 6 consecutive integers is 621. So let me write this. X plus 1 plus x plus 2, this is third number. The fourth number is plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 and plus x plus 5. This is equal 621. So now we have equation. We have only one unknown. So we can solve this equation. How many x's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x's. So we can combine the like terms. We have 6x, and what we have? 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So we have plus 15. This is equal 621. Now I will move positive 15 to the right side. So 6x is equal 621. When we move to the other side, we have to change the sign. So it will be negative 15. So 6x is equal 621 minus 15. So this is 606. And what next? Because we have multiplication on the left side. So now I will divide both sides by 6. So 6 and 6 we can reduce, and we have that x is equal 606 divided by 6 is 101. So we have x. First, x was first number. So first number is our solution, because next number will be x plus 1. So it will be 101 plus 1, so will be 102. This number, the second, will be greater than the first, and we need to find the value of the least of these integers. So we need to find the first number, and we did this. This is my solution.